A brief history of Goresbridge. Goresbridge, meaning the New Bridge, is a small village located in the east of County Kilkenny, in the province of Leinster, Ireland. Goresbridge is named after a 1756 bridge built by Colonel Ralph Gore, which provides a crossing of the River Barrow between County Kilkenny and County Carlow in the southeast region. Part of the civil parish is Droichead, which is in the barony of Garran. Charles II granted Arthur Gore the townland of Barrowmount. The Battle of Goresbridge occurred there in June 1798. The population, according to the 2011 census, was 361. The local authority is Kilkenny County Council. Goresbridge gives its name to an electoral division. Goresbridge was located in the historic Gaelic kingdom of Ossory. Following the Williamite Jacobite War, Charles II gave grants of land that had been forfeited by the Roman Catholic Church. Arthur Gore obtained a grant of land, the townland of Barrowmount in parish of Droichead, from Charles II, and by the end of the 17th century, the Gore family were well established. Goresbridge was named for the family and the new bridge built in 1756 by Colonel Ralph Gore. Goresbridge has a 9-arch granite bridge crossing of the River Barrow between County Kilkenny and County Carlow, built in 1756 by Colonel Ralph Gore, the Earl of Ross. This mid-18th century elegantly composed landmark was built using unrefined Carlow granite. It represents an important element of civil engineering and transport's heritage and formed a vital link between the two counties. Battle of Goresbridge. The Battle of Goresbridge occurred during the Irish Rebellion on the 23rd of June 1798 at Goresbridge. During the Wexford Rebellion and just a few days after the Battle of Vinegar Hill, Wexford insurgents attempted to use the Goresbridge. The locally stationed Wexford militia were defeated. They lost their cavalry, 28 soldiers were captured, and the rest fled to Kilkenny. There is a carved granite memorial adjacent to the bridge. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more brief history videos like these. Until the next time, thank you for watching, and goodbye.